The first step is to simply open up Google Maps on your computer, and then what we're gonna have to do next is simply enter the destination where we want to basically go, and then we're gonna have to click on directions, as you can see here on the left side, and then here we're gonna have to choose our starting point. So I'm gonna type in this street address from down here, so this one here, as you can see, and then we have here, as you can see, the uh, the destination, and here we have where we start the journey. Now what we can do also is that we can add multiple destinations if we want, and then we're gonna have to take this little guy here, as you can see at the bottom, in the bottom right corner, and simply drop it here from the starting point. Now after we do that, what we're gonna have to do is simply look here on the left side at this little guy and make sure that it's in that direction, and then we can simply start moving in to see where we have to go. And basically that's all we have to do until we reach the destination, as you can see right here. So we have the destination on this street. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.